Hi there, welcome back to my channel. Today's video, I think it's gonna be a quicker video because I'm trying something different, trying something that I think I did this like a while ago. I'm not sure, question mark, but I think I attempted to do a week's size kit. So this is a week size kit in my planner. It's really only gonna fit probably just these first two areas. I don't think it's gonna go past that. In my previous video, I did mention that I attempted to use a week's kits in here because this setup over here on the left for the take a note, this is a take a note, just a reminder, take a note planner. The first part of the week has like a week at a glance. So that's what I'm going to be attempting to do. This particular time frame is to set up the week at a glance. And let me move this sticker out the way because it's in the way. So I'm going to use this kit. So this is from Indian Ivy Inc., her standalone website, indianivyinc.com. You can go check her out. She does have some products available on her site. I did not see this particular one available, but that doesn't mean it's not there. It's just because I look really, really quick and it might be, you know, somewhere else that I wasn't looking close enough at. So we shall see. So I had mentioned before that I think that a week's kit would fit in here just fine. So we're going to find out how well that's going to work. So we have quite a bit of stickers here for a week's kit. We can already tell that all of these are not going to fit on here, but we're going to do our best to put in some of these stickers here and see how it's going to work for us, because I don't know, you know, how well it's going to go. We shall see. I've never used one of her kits in my planner before, so this is really a try and see. Girl, let's try it. Let's see, you know, type thing. Try and see how it's going to work. I don't know how well it's going to work, but as you can see, these are fitting very, very, very well for each of the days that we have available here. We do have, like I said, quite a few stickers available, so I'm going to work them in as best as I can. So this is already going to be a little bit too long, as I can see, because that side page in a week's is definitely probably bigger than what I have here. So we're really just doing a trial and error to see, you know, how well it's going to fit. I could just take this other sticker and put it right along the side there. I don't know if I'm going to do that at the moment. We shall see. So that means that this one too is going to be probably too big, but we're going to go ahead and just check it out so you can see, yeah, it does go quite a bit. So I'm just going to move this over to this side over here, just so I can go ahead and put, you know, put the sticker down. That's really what I'm working on, is seeing how well these stickers going to be working. And then you also get an idea of, you know, how well do these stickers work in your planner if you decide to use a different size. If you decide to use a take a note or a standard vertical kit, how well will they go for you in your kit? So I'm going to use this one next, and I'm going to put it right down here like so, like that. And then we have some of these boxes. Oh, I could have put one of those in there, but it's all right. It's all good. We're going to put one of these boxes there, and we're going to see how well that's going to go. Oh yeah, they're fitting very, very, very well. I'm very impressed with how well these stickers are working inside of each of the boxes. That one's a little bit off because I did not measure that, excuse me, well enough, but it's all good. We're all just doing a little trial run here. This is the only way we're going to see if it's going to work. You know, we got to do a try and see type situation. We got to try it out and see how well is it going to work for us. So that's what we're doing here. We're doing a little try and a little see. Girls, yas, let's try it out. Let's see. We can put you on this side. Let's see, we can go up. Let's see how far up we can go. Oh yeah, we can go up. We can go up to the 1. So we're gonna go all the way up to the 1. And let's move you to the side here, just so we can see where the 1 is and make sure that we're doing pretty good. Yes, we're doing very well. Oh, look, see how well that's looking? And all this is just from a week's kit. This is just from a week's kit. So this too would fit there. You can put it there. I'm just gonna move it to another page. I already told you guys that we were just doing a trial and error. So it's not gonna bother me if these are not gonna fit well. It's all gravy. It's all good in the neighborhood, people. It's all good, it's all good. So let's do this up here. And we're really just tasting and see, you know, how it's gonna work for us. That's really what we're doing here. That is really what we're doing here. I wanna put, I think I had a this week. Do this week. Yes, we have this week. So we're gonna put the this week here, like so, because that is going to work there. It is. We can put one of you up here. Yes. Let's see, we can put some bills. Do. Yes. Do. Yes, we can put that right there, like so. Okay. We can do this up here, and let's move you up. That way, if I want to put a hair there, I have room to put a hair there. And we can put another, do this here, or no, we can do it here. That way we can do a little mixture of the colors. Do this there. Oh, we have a picture that says not today. That's so cute. It says not today. I don't know where I'm gonna put that at, because I don't really care for this sticker, so that's more than likely not going to be put on my page. So yeah, we can go ahead and put this one on another page. I mean, I know I said I was only gonna do those 2, but we have more than enough stickers to share the wealth. Let's go. Let's spread some love. Yes. Okay, so this will be on the weekend, so I don't know. Let's see. It says weekend vibes. So we could put this there or here, but the problem is that it's gonna cover up that sticker. So we could put it there. No, we'll just move it on over. We'll move right on over to this spot right here that says weekend vibes. Bam! Like so, like that. Yes. Okay, so we got something for you there, and we got something for you there. Let's see. Okay, we're doing good here. Look at this. See how I said that majority of these stickers would definitely fit in here. I think so far there's only like 1 sticker that I did not put on there. It's because I don't really care for that. I don't know if I'm gonna put a not today, because I don't know. I don't know where that's gonna fit in at. So we'll just put a not today right over here, so we can work it in like that. So all these stickers from this week's kit, this is the only one I didn't use because I really don't care for that sticker. But otherwise, look how those fit primarily in this area, which I had mentioned before that they would fit pretty well in there. The weeks is off, the strip is off just a tad, goes over just a little bit. Those longer stickers, you know, they're really made for that sidebar page. So yeah, it's definitely wider. So we already know the width is not there. So I just put them in different places, as you can see here, and I just moved a few of them over to other spots. But other than that, yes. So if you want to do some minimal type planning, you could definitely use a week's kits. You don't have to put them all like I did here. You can spread the love over the week on 4 pages and see how that works out for you. So thank you for watching. Please make sure to give me a thumbs up, and until next time, bye-bye.